Hello again, Reggae Trades here, and let's start growing our account. In this very first video I chose one of my favorite tools, Heikin Ashi. We'll start with some theory and then move into practice in order to find a profitable setup. I will take the trade and show you the results on my live account to see if this technique is really work for us. So let's start. Heikin Ashi means average bar in Japanese and is a very powerful trading tool. It uses candlestick charts to visualize market price data, and I personally use it to spot market trends and predict future prices. The charts are definitely more readable as it uses the average price data that filters out the market noise. With no market noise, our charts are more clear, we take better decisions, and we have better signals. We can identify when we should hold on to a trade, pause a trade, or identify a potential reversal. When the color of the candles in a Heikin Ashi chart is red, that indicates a downtrend, while when the color is green, that means we have an uptrend. So, we have a bearish trend when there are consecutive red candlesticks without upper shadows, and we have a bullish trend when there are consecutive green candlesticks without lower shadows. Trend reversal. This is what we are looking for in a chart. A trend reversal. Spot it and ride the trend. This is all we need. But how we can find the turning points? Dodges. This is the magic word. Dodges with substantial upper and lower shadows are possible turning points. It might mean a reversal or continuation, but we know for sure that it shows a market indecision within the trend. Dodges are the first step for change direction. Once we spot a doji bar, it can be a doji star, a long leg doji, a dragonfly, a gravestone, a 4 price, it can be any doji, then we look for confirmation. How we can confirm to have a trend reversal? What I usually do is to make use one of the following methods. Draw trend lines, use volume and other indicators, examine lower time frames, and check the support and resistance. As long as we have the confirmation we need, then we take the trade. The last step is when we exit the trade. Theory says if you're in a long trade, exit when you see the first bearish Heikin Ashi candlestick. And if you're in a short trade, exit when you see the first bullish Heikin Ashi candlestick. What I usually do is to use the trailing stop method to protect my profits. If you are interested in the trailing stop method, comment below and we can talk about it in another video. So let's find the trade and ride it. First up, S&P. We begin with a higher time frame and start drawing the support and resistance lines. We draw the monthly lines with yellow color and then we go to a lower time frame to the weekly chart and do the same. We draw the weekly lines with a different color so we can identify them in the daily chart. Then we go to the daily time frame and we can see that there is a downtrend. The first thing we do is to draw the trend line. Ideally the line touches 2-3 points. The more the better. Next, we select the Heikin Ashi chart and see that the color of the last two bars have been changed. Now we have two bullish Heikin Ashi bars. That means we might have a potential reversal here. As a confirmation, we have the bullish bar breaking the trend line, and it's also breaking the monthly support line, which is a very good sign that we have a trend reversal here. As an extra confirmation, we have the stochastic RSI breaking the lower level. I believe that this is a very good setup and we should take it. Of course, we can see the results later on. Our second stop is gold USD. Again, the first thing we do is to draw the monthly and weekly support and resistance lines. We draw the trend line, and although the first bars break the line, we can see that we have some indecision in the market based on the first 5 Heikin Ashi bars. But then we have two powerful bearish Heikin Ashi bars, and we look for confirmation. We have the bars breaking the line, and we also have the stochastic indicator that is breaking the upper level. So I think it's time for us to take the second trade for today. As you can see from the profit column, we found two amazing setups and they are still running. Well, don't forget guys to set the stop loss and ride the trend. Stay tuned and let's find more profitable setups. Thank you for watching.